What is probate? Hi, I'm Gary DeWitt, the owner of DeWitt Law. We do great estate planning. Planning starts with a free conversation. Start your conversation now by going to planwithgary.com. Probate, just the word, strikes fear in the hearts of many people. But what is probate, and why do people fear it and want to avoid it? Technically, probate is the process of validating a will and admitting it to the courts. That doesn't sound so bad. However, it's the part of the process that's known as estate administration that is the long, hard, annoying part. Once the will is validated and admitted, then the estate must be administered. The administration includes inventory, valuation, sales, paying off creditors, paying the attorney, distributing anything that's left. The process in Arkansas goes something like this. An interested party, usually a spouse or a child, applies to the court to appoint a representative to oversee the estate. Now, what is an interested party? Like I said, it could be a child or a spouse, but it's usually somebody receiving under the will, or it could be a creditor. If there isn't a will, then state law determines who an interested party is, usually the spouse or children. Once the personal representative is appointed and accepts the appointment, the hard part starts. The property must be inventoried, appraised, sold, and distributed. All the money needs to be gathered up and put into an estate account. All outstanding bills and final expenses must be paid, and all attorney fees get paid off the top. The probate is advertised in the newspaper, starting a 6-month waiting period for creditors to make claims. My checklist has about 100 little items on it for a typical probate and administration. It'll take about a year to work through all the steps. Planning starts with a free conversation. Start your conversation at planwithgary.com. If you have any questions on estate planning, set up a time to talk to us for free at planwithgary.com. If you want us to help you create a great estate plan, set up a time to get started by going to planwithgary.com. Start your conversation by going to planwithgary.com.